this grant, Wags, Wiggles, and Whiskers. We bought all of the big supplies that we needed for the classroom, specifically for the small animal management classes and our veterinary medicine classes as well.
See how like the direction of the hair matters.
A lot of the equipment that we bought was like tables, chairs, soap, brushes, veterinary equipment that they would see every day in a vet's office, of needles, syringes, staple pullers, muzzles, things like that. Some students never see that.
It's really cool. You get a lot of hands-on, which is nice.
It's hard to teach students just on paper, just on black and white, and I'm a very hands-on person because a lot of times people don't know how to act around a dog or to be around a large livestock animal. And so for that, I wanted to be as hands-on as possible.
We help with the grooming and the washing, so we use the bath to bathe and shampoo and condition the dog. We blow dry it too, and then we can cut it.
My goal with this grant is to build our students and to make them, or to help them be as successful as they can whenever they leave high school.
Not only do we get to experience hands-on experience with other animals, but also teamwork with our fellow students. We get to work together on how to handle clipping a dog or handling rabbits or hamsters, different things like that.
A lot of those students want to be vets, whether it's a vet tech or actually go to a veterinary school. At least they can know that I can successfully do this. I'm really thankful for the opportunity and the being accepted and having the prize posse and stuff come by. It was really fun, and knowing that someone is there and that they are willing to lend a helping hand for us is all that we could ask for, especially as teachers.